Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Tongue to Tummy. Today's recipe is Puneri Aloo. So let's get started. Take 1/4 cup peanut. Dry roast the peanuts in medium heat in a karhai or pan for a minute or until they become brown. After the roasting is done, take out the peanuts in a separate bowl and set aside. Next add 1 tablespoon oil in a karhai. Add 1 heaped teaspoon whole cumin. Add 3 slitted green chillies. Saute for a minute. Fry until it splutters. I have added 3 potatoes cut into cubes. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. You can also use boiled potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Fry for another 2 minutes. Cover the karhai with a lid and slow cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, uncover the lid and give it a mix. Next add 1/4 cup curry leaves. Also add the roasted peanuts. Give a good mix and cook for 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Fry for another 2 minutes on low flame. Cover and cook for more 5 to 6 minutes or until the potatoes are well cooked. After you uncover, stir it again for a minute on medium flame. Let's check whether the potato is cooked well. So it can be easily pressed, so it's done. This is a traditional potato preparation flavored with curry leaves and can be eaten on fasting days. So give this simple and quick recipe a try and enjoy it with roti or rice. And share your feedback in the comment section below. If you like watching my recipes, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Your love and support will inspire me to make more videos. Thank you for watching. Till then, happy cooking!